Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Pretty cool pattern that's basically symmetrical and perfect and really easy to do. What we're going to do, we're going to take two circles. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard. While holding down the control button, I'm going to move it over and I'm going to get that shape. And there's several ways to do that shape. But I always find the Smart Fill tool. I've got mine set on white right now from a past video. I'm going to take that out of the way, move that. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. The reason I want it in the center of the page is because I want to rotate. I'm not going to rotate around the center of the page, but I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And I'm going to get the rotation, but I want the rotation perpendicular to the other one. And I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees and then Control D all the way around. Now we've got this shape. I can get rid of my indexing lines and I can group this together. Now, I'm not going to say this is for everybody, but it's pretty cool. Then get the envelope tool. Take away the center two nodes, each direction. Select all the nodes and turn them, right-click and turn them into a line. Then deselect and take this one and go right to the middle. And this is, you could actually go past, but we're making a triangular shape. And now what we can do is take this shape, Control D and make a duplicate, double click on the rotation and put it right there on that point and rotate it 45 degrees and look at the circles in the middle that kind of join. So now we could take it and we can left click, right click, and you can see the circles in the middle that are double. So what we're going to do, we're going to take that and weld it. And now those circles are finished. And now we can make it blue and take away the outline. And I did it exactly the same way. Now we could have gone past, the point of center, but you could just play with it. I'm not saying anybody ever draw that, but it kind of shows you the envelope tool and what it can do and how to rotate things. And so every one of these is symmetrical and it's perfect. Anyway, I hope that just gave you an idea and thank you for watching.